At least 14 people have been killed after a suicide bombing in the Afghan capital of Kabul. Over 100 others are injured. The Taliban has claimed responsibility.
And the blast happened in the western district of Kabul during morning rush hour. The suicide bomber detonated at a security checkpoint outside a police station.
Police headquarters have been targeted before. An attack in 2017 left more than 20 people dead.
برشی طرف پلسوخته می آمدیم بسیار یک صدای ترساور که امی موتر بخی لرزه کرد شیشه‌های دکان‌ها همه فرو ریخت.
همونجا یک صدای بلند شد بعدش وقتی که پاهام سعی کردم هم شیشه‌های نما خطا خورد آمد دو سه تاش در پایم در آمد و یکیش هم در بند دستم خورد.
Afghanistan continues to be rocked by nearly daily attacks, even as the Taliban and the U.S. appear close to a historic pact.
Both sides held meetings over the weekend. Washington plans to withdraw U.S. troops from the country in exchange for a Taliban promise not to let the country be used to launch extremist attacks.